Hello everyone, this is Ricardo. Today I'm going to make a video about how to repair bad pixels for 5 pixel pitch modules. This is a 1.8 pixel pitch module from AT as an example. As you can see here, there are some pixels are damaged or missing, then need to repair. First, we use the heater to heat up the pixels and remove it. Then power off the module and put some soldering wire on it. Then we are going to put new pixels on it. Before that, we need to make sure the pixels is in correct direction. Then we can turn on the module and put the heater upon the missing pixel position. Take a new pixel and put it on slowly and carefully with the heater working. Make sure not touching other pixels near. So this is how repair work. We can wait it for a second to cool down. Then the module will work properly. If you want to know more details about repair work, you can leave a message or send an email to me. The email address is below. Thanks for watching.